Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to capitalize all word in Google Sheets. So get let's started. At first, open your Google Sheets document file. In this video, I will show that capitalize all word is Google Sheets. Now select from the row is text side. Now keyboard press from the equal and type from the upper. Now for select first bracket, then select from the text, then keyboard press from the enter. That's it. Now click on the OK. That's it. Then you show capitalize all word in Google Sheets is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.